Chinku, shall we go for a walk into the forest for a while?
Yes, Pinku, we will go and come back soon because mother will be looking for us at home.
Okay, let's go and come back soon. Look at those animals. All the animals are sitting together.
I think the animals are having a meeting.
Yes, Chinku, they are also listening very carefully. But how do we listen?
We listen with the help of our ears.
Look at Appu's ears. Elephant has big ears.
Yes, Pinku, it is very big. It is just like Grandma's fan.
Grandma's fan? How funny. I'll tell you more about elephants. The elephants live in a group or a herd. The herd has only female elephants and children. The oldest female in the herd is the leader of the herd.
I also know a little bit about elephant herds. There are 10 to 12 female elephants and also their babies. Male elephant live with their herd till 12 to 15 years old. After that, they leave the herd and move around on their own. Look, Pinku, look at the tree. There are many lovely birds sitting on the tree.
Yes, Chinku, where are their ears? How can they hear then?
Birds also have ears. They can hear too. Look at the parrot with a red beak. It is listening so carefully.
But I can't see the ears of any of the birds.
Yes, we cannot see the ears of any of the birds. The ears of the birds are just small holes, just like the sparrows that come to our garden.
Chinku, look at that monkey. Its ears are just like ours. So then, are we also a monkey?
No, Pinku. Did you see that the ears of a fox and a dog look the same? In the same way, the ears of humans and monkeys look the same. Grandma says that humans have evolved from monkey.
Chinku, we reached the lake. Come, let's go and watch the lake. Oh, look at that big crocodile.
Yes, it's really big. And look at its body. It looks so different. Pinku, crocodile's skin is very hard and rough. That's why it looks very different.
Chinku, look at that beautiful animal. It has so many horns on its head.
Oh, that is a deer. A beautiful deer. Look, it has spots on its back.
How do these deer get spots?
They get spots because of the different color hair that they have on their backs.
I have seen a picture of a zebra. It has stripes on its body. Do they get these stripes also because of different colored hair on their body?
You are right, Pinku. Even the stripes on a tiger or the spots of a leopard are because of different colored hair on their backs. Did you know tiger is our national animal? And do you know our national bird?
Yes, peacock is our national bird. I love to watch the peacock dance. It has such lovely feathers.
That's right, Chinku. But it's time to go back home. See, mother is waiting for us. She is now going to milk the cow.
Look at the cow. It has big spots on her back. Some animals that they do not have pattern on their bodies like elephant, buffalo, and rat.
That means they don't have different color hair. Hey, don't chase the hen. Oh, what a nice white egg.
Chinku, our hen always lays nice eggs. Do all animals lay eggs like our hen?
No, Pinku. Some animals lay eggs and some give birth to baby.
How will we know if an animal will lay an egg or give birth to baby?
I know how. I will tell you. If you can see the animal's ear, then that animal give birth to a baby. Children, you have listened to the conversation between Chinku and Pinku. What did you understand? So, ears can be the identity of animals. Many animals don't have visible ears like fish, birds, snakes, lizards, insects, etc. And they don't have hair on their body. They lay eggs. Rabbit, tiger, zebra, which had outside visible ears and hair on their body, give birth to baby, are called mammals. We are mammals. Is it an easy trick, isn't it, to identify?
Yes, it is an easy trick to identify the mammal.
Children, in this lesson, we learnt about ears of different animals, ears of different shape and size, animals with different skin, and what are mammals.
Friends, let's enjoy a song which describes the ear of different animals.
Children, some questions and answers are also given at the end of this video. Please note it down. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.
Whose ears? Whose ears? Whose ears? Whose ears are they? Whose ears? Whose ears? Whose ears are they? Here we go. A rabbit's ears. A kangaroo's ears. A koala's ears. A bear's ears. Scary. Whose ears? Whose ears? Whose ears are they? Whose ears? Whose ears? Whose ears are they? Here we go. An owl's ears. A deer's ears. A hippo's ears. An elephant's ears. They're big. Whose ears? Whose ears? Whose ears are they? Whose ears? Whose ears? Whose ears are they?